am available for all sort of MyLab courses, MS Excel, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Access Mathematics, Accounting and Statistics, Problems Solved.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session we are taking XP22 Excel Chapter 8 ML1 course evaluation. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can turn your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your course help, your assignment help. If you want to do for a complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can handle your complete course with A+ grade. I can also handling many students courses from USA, Canada and many more countries on Pearson, Sangen and Blackboards. I can do all online courses, accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, assess, writing and many more courses. Let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. Okay, now we will be focusing on the title of assignment XP22 Excel Chapter 8 ML1 course evaluation. You can see here project description. Okay, first you can see your project description to get idea about your project. Now moving on question number 1. In question number 1, start Excel, download and open the file name XP22 Excel Chapter 8 ML1 course evaluation. XLS grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Basically in this question we will have to download Excel workbook from Pearson at the left dashboard. You can download this file easily from your Pearson portal. I have also downloaded this file from my Pearson portal. I am going to show my Excel workbook. Also you can easily download this file from your Pearson portal or your Sandwich portal or your Blackboard portal. You can download easily from your portal. Okay, if you do not able to do this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete assignment for you. You can see this Excel workbook. Now moving on question number 2. Okay, in question number 2, use the frequency function in the range h5 to h9 to calculate the frequency distribution of course evaluation. Okay, basically in this question we will use the frequency function in the range h5 to h9. First we will select this range and then we will use frequency function to calculate the frequency distribution of course evaluation from the range based on the frequency bands located in the range G5 to G9. Okay, first we will moving on Excel workbook, then we will select this range H5 to H9. Then we will use frequency function to calculate the frequency distribution of course evaluation from range D4 to D35 based on the frequency bands located in the range G5 to G9. Okay, moving on first Excel workbook, then we will enter frequency function using this range. Okay, first we enter this range H5 to Please follow my video to got A+ grade. If you do not able to do this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete assignment for you. Click on cell H5, enter is equal to, and then enter frequency function in here in cell H5. Okay, frequency function in cell H5. Enter is equal to, then enter frequency function. Then we will enter this ranges D4 to D35, then press enter. Okay, we will add all ranges here. First range is that course rating column D4 D35, and then second range is G5 to G9. Second range is G5 to G9. Okay, then press enter. It will be find frequency in cell H5. Okay, this question is done. Now you can see here I have done 2 questions of this assignment right now. Now we will moving on to question number 3. In question number 3, use the stdv.s function to calculate the standard deviation between the current values of all course rating in cell H12. Okay, basically in this question we will use a standard deviation function to calculate the standard deviation between the current value of all course rating in cell H12. We will click on cell H12 and then we will enter this function standard deviation function stdev.s, and then we will calculate the standard deviation between the current value of all courses rating in cell I12. Click on cell I12, press is equal to and then enter stdv.s function standard deviation function. Enter is here standard deviation function in cell I12 stdev.s function. Then we will enter course rating for all D4 to D35. Okay, then press enter. Standard deviation, okay, it will be find standard deviation in cell H12. You can see here. Now we will move on next question. Please all my students follow my video to got A plus grade. You will see my video and follow my video, and you can do your assignment and you will got A plus grade. If you do not able to do this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp or email. I will do this complete assignment for you and I will handle your complete course with very reasonable prices and with A plus grade. Okay, use the var.s function to calculate the variation between the current value of course rating in cell H13. Basically in this question we will enter variation function var.s function to calculate the variation between the current value of course rating in cell H13. We will moving on Excel workbook, then we will click on cell H13 and then we will enter this function, press is equal to, then enter this variation function var.s function and then to calculate the variation between the current value of course rating. Press is equal to, then enter var.s function. Press var.s function, enter this function var.s. Then enter range here D4 to D35 and then press enter. Then press enter to find variance is cell H13. Then press enter and it will be find variance in here. Okay, you can follow my video and do your assignment to see my video. If you do not able, you can contact me on my WhatsApp or email. I will do this complete assignment for you with A plus grade. Now we will move on question number 5. I have done 4 questions of this assignment right now. In question number 5, use the correl function in cell G17 to calculate the correlation between GPA in the range C4 to C35 and course variation in the range D4 to D35. Okay, basically in this question we will enter click on cell G7 and then we will enter correl function in cell G17 to calculate the correlation between GPA in the range C4 to C35 and course variation in the range D4 to D35. I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access, writing, Java, C++, Python. Okay, please contact me for any course help. I will do complete course for you with A plus grade. I am also handling many student courses. Click on cell G17, press is equal to and then enter correl function in cell G17. First we will press is equal to, then we will enter correl function. Okay, correl function. then C5 to C35, C4 to C35. Okay, into this range C4 to C35. Okay, then second range is that D4 to D35. GP and course rating. Okay, GP is C4 to C35 and course rating D4 to D35, and then we will press enter and it will be find correlation in cell G17. Okay, you can see here course relation will be found in cell G17. You can enter this formula. First enter correlation function and then enter GPA and then second range and then press enter. It will find correlation between GP and okay. Now moving on question number 6. In question number 6, ensure the analysis toolbar is located. Create a descriptive statics summary based on the course evaluation in column D and show label and summary statics are included. Display the output in cell G19. Okay, basically in this question we will ensure the analysis toolbar is loaded. Okay, we will load it toolbar, analysis toolbar will be loaded, and then we will create a descriptive statics summary between the course evaluation in column D. Okay, first we will move on Excel workbook, then we will load analysis toolbar. Okay, then we will create a descriptive statics summary. Based on the course evaluation in column D, ensure label or summary statistics is included. Display the output in cell G19. Click on cell. Okay, first we will click on data tab and then click on data analysis. Then select descriptive statics. In here we will select descriptive statics in data analysis. Okay, first we will select data and then we will select data analysis. Right corner under solver is data analysis is given, and then click on data analysis and then select descriptive statics. Okay, please follow my video. Descriptive statics, then press OK, and then input range is that course evaluate in column D. Input range is column D. Course rating, you can select this column D is input range. Show label and summary stats are included. Display output cell is G19. Okay, display the output cell is cell G19. Okay, click on label in the first. Okay, summary statics and label is included, and then output cell is G19. Okay, I am doing this assignment very slow because my art student will be understand very well to follow my video, and they done their assignment. If you do not able to do this assignment, you can contact me in my WhatsApp or email. I will do complete assignment for you with A+ grade. Okay, output cell is G19. Click on cell G19 and then label in the first row and then press OK. Output range is G19, then click on OK. It will be done. Okay, now we will moving on next question. You can see I have done some question of this assignment. Now we will moving on next question. In next question is that question number 7. In question number 7, insert a scatter plot with course rating as the x-axis values and GPA as the y-axis value. Be sure to add appropriate chart and x labels. Okay, insert a scatter plot with course rating as the x-axis value and GPA as the y-axis value. Be sure to add appropriate chart and x label. Basically in this question we will insert the scatter plot with course setting as the x-axis value and then GP as the y-axis value. Okay, I can do all online courses, accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, SAS, and all Pearson courses, all Sanskrit courses, all Blackboard courses, all online courses. Please contact me for any course help. I will do complete course for you with A+ grades. I am also handling management courses from USA, Canada, and many more countries. Please contact me for your any course help, any assignments help, any exam help. I will be available 24 hours for you with A+ grade and very reasonable prices. Insert a scatter. Click analysis, click on GPA. You can select this to GPA and okay, first we will select this two column. Okay, GP and click insert tab, click on okay, first we will select this two column, you can see, and then insert chart, scatter chart will be inserted here, and click on insert tab and go to the recommended chart, and we will select scatter chart in here. You can see first we will these two columns and then go to the insert tab and then go to the charts and we will select scatter chart. Okay, you can see I have done 85% of this assignment. For remaining questions or you want to read for complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can do all online courses, accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, SAS, writing, economics, Java, Python, C++, and many more courses. I am also handling many students courses from USA, Canada, and many more countries on Pearson, Sanskrit, Blackboard, and many more schools, universities, and colleges. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. I will help you in future. I will upload complete course on my YouTube channel, and if you do not able to do this assignment or course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp or email. I will do complete course for you. Okay, thank you so much. Best of luck to my students.